All right, Swift Plumbers, I'm in A101. I'm in a lower unit now on this job, and you're going to see these cabinets really need to be out of the way to do a repair. The only thing I can attempt there is you're going to see they didn't use that full fitting on that 2-inch street 45. All right, not the 45 coming down. They've got a street 45 coming down, and then they've got another street 45. So where you see that purple primer there, so my goal there is going to be cutting that fitting out of there. That should be after the galvanized, but we have no choice. I mean, that's what we've got to try to do if we want to avoid pulling the cabinets out. So as you can see, I've got water lines in my way, 2x4. I've got to be careful up here cutting this, and I've got to stand on this counter and reach in to get to it, as it is not close for me to repair, but this would save all these cabinets from getting tore out of here, potentially, if I can pull this off. So I wanted the management company just to see how tough a repair and what I'm going after here. And if I can't pull this off, well then it's time to do this, all the upper cabinets up here, so I can get into that drywall down here and do a repair and fit it together. So we're going to try this, and then we're going to test it.